Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP problem of chapter number 10. This is a problem number 6. Write a PHP program to reverse array element. So different topic we have discussed related to array in this chapter. So this is another PHP problem in which we will create an array to reverse array element and display to user. So in previous classes you can see that different topics we have discussed. Problem and the solution we had discussed in previous lectures. These are the source code of that lectures. So this is a problem number 6. First of all, save this file in same location. This is a problem number 6, and then get a HTML basic structure, and this is a chapter number 10 and problem number 6. Cut this problem statement, paste here. Now I have to create an array, and first in PHP tag I can create an array. Using array method I can create. So I want to create an array of different colors as I have discussed in previous class also. First element, for example, green, another is for example yellow, another one is a pink color, and there is a black, for example blue, and another one is a gold. So different colors store in this array. Put a semicolon at the end. Now I want to declare another variable and assign this array to that variable. For example, its name is its colors, and this array, that is a collection of different colors stored in this variable. So I want to iterate array colors and then as C, echo C, and get a line break for every element. Open the browser, and then this is a problem number 6. You can see that green, yellow, and up to gold, all the element displaying. Now I want to display this element in reverse order. Very first element should be gold and any number should be green. So how you can do this one? A method is a array reverse. Array reverse method used to reverse array element. Just pass that array. This is the array colors, and then our colors. So this is a new array that will be store reversed item. Now I want to iterate that reversed array item, and then refresh this one. Gold item should be at the top. You can see that gold, and last element is green, and this way green element is first element, but after reversing you can see that the green element is at the bottom position. So element reversed in this way. So if there is another array, for example array of different number, you can also iterate that and reverse. So reverse, this is a numeric array in which integer type of data is stored, num. Now I can also use array reverse method to display reverse the element of array. So num, and then store in another variable. So this is the new array in which reversed element store. Now I want to iterate element for each, and then this will be our num as, and inside loop body just print that n and line break with a line break. Just to refresh this one, you can see that 12 is the last element, but after reversing 12 will be first position, and 2 is the first position before reversing, but after reversing 2 is the last element. So there is other method also you can use to reverse element. That is a method of looping. You have to run a for loop to generate index number of that array, and you have to start from last index number up to 0. So in this way you can display all the element of array in reverse mode. So these are different solutions for this problem. If you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.